Salud!
Right, to the 4th of July.
Fuck redcoats and happy independence.
Oh.
Sorry, Dennis.
Bit of patriotism there.
America, gain independence. In the UK.
I'm a peanut.
Oh shit.
Oh my god, I'm so scared right now.
Fuck! Where is it?
Holy fucking shit!
It burned my hair off!
Oh my god!
Is it finished?
Oh my god! Oh my god!
What was that?
What was that?
Your neighbor threw something at you. My hair caught on fire. I'm bleeding. I smelled my hair's all fucked. One blew up right here and was very
Oh no,
bloody.
I thought you guys were all dead.
Fucking hell, that was scary.
I knew it was gonna fall down.
Is it illegal to have fireworks in Argentina?
We couldn't even watch it. One absolutely blew. Let's watch it.
Yeah,
It hit me in the head. See a hole? A patch of hair missing? Well, that was interesting. Well, we should have put a brick in it.
Holy fuck.
In the middle of the roof.
Look at all this.
I'm sad.
That was the most ridiculous thing I've ever done.
I fucking knew that was gonna happen.
I was fearing for my life. I was fearing for my limbs. What did they throw at us, the neighbours? I want to see what they threw. Is it an orange or something?
It's just a wad of paper. And he was hiding like underneath there, and then we ran under.
Was it just a kid?
He's like 23.
About 23.
Roughly.
Let's go back inside and thank God we're still alive.
I'm a fire starter, twisted fire starter.
So this is what Americans do on the 4th of July. They blow up houses.
When you shoot something up, it comes down.
We should Google how to play fireworks. I don't feel like we've prepped enough.
When you shoot something up, it comes down. Good
Isn't it gonna shoot right here, this way?
No, it's all shooting up about 30 meters. I've thought it through as much as I can think it through. It's gonna go up and then it's gonna come down.
But we're very close. You're supposed to be at least 5.
I agree, but
What's in that? What if it falls
It's not-
and comes down? I don't feel like we've prepped enough.
it's gonna go up and then it's gonna come down.
And it's gonna land on it.
I hope not.
Remember what
So
Einstein
it's going that way, it's gonna land
said?
on the neighbors.
Oh shit.
I'm scared, I don't want it anymore.
Get away from me. Get away from me. Actually, you can stand in front of me.
No, wait.
I've thought it through as much as I can think
Are
it
you
through.
sure?
Good as
Isn't it
far
gonna
as that
shoot
is?
right here, this way?
No, just relax. Relax.
Oh my god.
It's gonna go up and then it's gonna come down. I do need a better lighter.
Okay, but we do need a better idea.
I think this is the best. I mean, it's not a great idea
We
in the
can't
first
think
place.
here.
No, just relax. Relax.
Oh my god.
Oh shit.
Oh my god, I'm so scared right now.
I'm a fire starter, twisted fire starter. On the things you hated, they'll infatuated. Yeah. On the plate you tasted, belly toxic.
Who is it?